have a 2019 Toyota Tundra, and today we're gonna be replacing the steering wheel trim. So for all you guys Thunder lovers like me, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this trim. The owner decided to go with. It's a nice trim. Alright, since we're dealing with the steering wheel, first thing I'll do is I'll disconnect the negative. I think this is where he got it from. Meso custom steering wheel blackout trim. Since this involves a button, what I will do is I'll take out the airbag itself. Yeah, there you go. 8 hex that we need to take out. We need to remove right there, one on each side, so we can, that hex, one on each side, so we can remove the steering wheel airbag. Alright, I do have a extended hex, so that's what I'll be using. It is T30 torque. Alright, so this is what I got. A T30 just loosen that up. So basically this is how you take on the airbag too. I also have a Tundra, a salvage title. I bought it, and then I'm gonna do pretty much an overhaul from frame to the whole suspension and everything, re-gearing and all that. So if you guys wanna follow me with that journey, I think it's pretty cool because I do have all the parts. I'm just trying to find the time to work on them. See that now we can move it. There you go. Alright. So if you want to replace the airbag, there's 2. So grab yourself with this. So to take out these 2 plug-ins, just get yourself a little pick. Pry in the middle. Push the tab up. These are color coded, so you won't get confused. This is for the ground, for the horn. Just pull it out. There you go. Now this is the fun part. We are going to change the trim. So get yourself the Phillips screw, take this out. There's 2 Phillips screws on each side. All right, here you go. So to take out the trim, there's a Phillips screw that we need to remove. So there's about 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws. Make sure that you set aside the bolts that we take out. All right, this is the trim that we're trying to remove. We'll be replacing it with this one. Look at the difference. I like this one better. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta put this first. So since the new ones, we have to rethread them. So when installing the screws, you got to be very gentle. All right, there you go. This is how you would replace the steering wheel blackout trim. This is how you install the steering wheel blackout trim. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Look at the difference. Can y'all even, it's so dark in here, man. I like it, man. I like it. I think this is what I'll do mine. Let's do the other side. 2 screwdrivers on each side, top and bottom. Take them out. You know what? You could do this yourself if you just have the courage to do it. Just make sure that you disconnect the battery first, and then after you disconnect it, let it rest for about 10 minutes before you start working on the airbag. That's just my safety precaution. Now we are removing the 3 screws on the switches. At the back of the trim there's switches, so we need to remove the 3 bolts that's holding it. Okay. Again, we do not have to remove the switch. We do not have to remove the harness or the switch. Okay. Again, once installing this, make sure everything is flushed, especially the buttons. What's wrong with you? All right, there you go. This is how you replace your steering wheel trims. So in case you guys want to do it yourself, well, here it is, my guy, because it's starting to grow on me and I feel like I want to change mine. Well, I gotta make it run first before I do all this custom stuff. All right, now we are going to install the airbag. So to do that, remember these are color coded. So you'll definitely not miss it. And don't forget the ground. All right, that's it. Make sure it's not getting in the way in the middle. Plug it in. All right, plug it in. Make sure it's aligned on these two bolts. We have to push them out a little bit. You gotta just press the airbag a little bit so that it will align. Once it's aligned, you can go ahead and tighten in the bolt. Don't forget the cover. Alright, that's it. Now what we're gonna do next is reconnect the negative. And we're gonna start the car and see if any airbag light on. So always gotta make sure that you recheck your work. I mean, the trim is looking pretty nice, man. So you'll want to change your trims. That's how you do it. Any questions, comments, concerns, just write it down in the comment section. Oh yeah, and for the Toyotas, every time you disconnect the battery, you have to let it run for a couple minutes, sometimes even 10 minutes, just to kind of let it adjust. Some cars doesn't do it. Majority Toyotas does. So don't be afraid. All right. I don't see any airbag light on, which is good. The horn works perfect. All the buttons. Alright. Okay. Alright, all the button works. You just gotta make sure that all the button works, man. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is how you replace the this is how you replace the steering wheel trim. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just write it down in the comment section. I hope that this video gave you guys the confidence to do your project today. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.